guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lee and I've got something really exciting for you today. Well, maybe not that exciting, but in lockdown everything's exciting. We are going to be cleaning our brass door handles. And I don't know about you guys, if you got brass door handles in your home. I can never get these things clean. I wipe them and it doesn't come clean. So I've read up a whole bunch of things on the internet about like tomato sauce and things like that, so we're going to see which ones work and which ones don't work. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to try. I'm going to try some of the Brasso, see if that works. In here I have got hot water and just normal sunlight. I have got tomato sauce, vinegar, lemon juice, and they say that the salt goes with the vinegar. And then I've just got some old cloths and an old kitchen sponge. Let's see how this works. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the Mr. Muscle Brass Polish. Let's see how this works. Okay, that doesn't look like it's doing much. Let me shake it. As you can see, this is really, really dirty. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, got some product on our cloth. Okay guys, that's doing nothing to get it off, as you can see. So let's try our next thing that I got from the internet, and that was to use vinegar. Soak your cloth in vinegar. I'm going to soak a piece of it in vinegar, and salt. Vinegar and salt. So let's see how that goes. Got vinegar on my cloth, and let's put our salt. And we just start rubbing. Oh wait guys, this is also not working. And then they say you need to take a cloth and wipe it off. Okay, that's also not working. So let's try the next one. And the next one was lemon juice. Here's our lemon juice. Let's see how this works. I hope one of these methods does work. Let's see. It's working a little bit. Okay, not really. So that's also not working. Now let's give the tomato sauce a go. Just stick my cloth in the tomato sauce. And let's rub the tomato sauce everywhere. Let's put a bit more on. Now let's see what happens when we try to take that off. if I need to let this sit for longer, but nothing's happening, guys. No, it's not doing anything. Just putting tomato sauce all over my bathroom door. Let's pump this off. And let's hope our last method works. So the last method is the warm water with the sunlight liquid and an old kitchen sponge. Let's see how this goes. Oh, something's happening. Off. Okay guys, that's definitely working. So I'm going to do the whole handle and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I've been scrubbing for about 20 minutes and that is what it looks like, which is much better. And I realised that the brass polish is just to polish it up, so to hopefully get the last little bits of dirt and just to keep it shiny for longer. So let's do that. Okay, so one brass door handle is done. Now let's tackle the rest of them. To be honest, it does take a bit of scrubbing, but I think it looks so much better. And I hope that you guys also learned something from it, that unless I need to leave that tomato sauce on longer, tomato sauce actually does nothing to that door handle. So if you want to see anything else, please comment below, and hope you guys are well and stay home, stay safe. Bye guys.